Good day viewers, my name is Alfarabi and welcome to the Great Things platform. Today, I will be talking about hiccups. Hiccups are sudden involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle which can cause distinctive hic sound. It occurs when the diaphragm contracts abnormally, the nerve that controls breathing, which is the phrenic nerve, is irritated. The causes are eating too quickly or swallowing air, drinking carbonated beverages, inflammation or irritation of the nerves. The treatment are as follows: hold your breath, gargle with water and apply pressure to the diaphragm. Please follow us on all our social media at The Great Things. Thank you.